Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Before you change the Play Store version, prepare your device and data. Enable installation from unknown sources in settings to allow APK files. Back up your Play Store data and app settings using your Google account or a local backup. Confirm the exact Play Store version you want, for example version 31.6.14, to avoid mismatches. Note your device architecture like ARM64 or ARMY by v7a before downloading. Also check available storage and ensure at least 100 MB free space exists. Find a reputable APK provider and locate the exact Play Store version you need. Choose an APK that matches your device architecture and Android version to avoid errors. Check the APK size and signature before downloading. A typical Play Store APK can be about 20 MB. Verify the SHA-256 or signature hash matches the source listing. Save the APK to an easy folder like Downloads for quick access later. Avoid random links and prioritize well-known hosts for safety. First, uninstall Play Store updates from settings and clear app cache to prepare for rollback. Open the Downloads folder and tap the APK file to begin installation. Follow prompts to install and grant required permissions if requested. After install, open Play Store and test core functions like search and updates to confirm stability. Disable Auto Update for Google Play in settings to keep the older version locked. If you encounter issues, restore your backup within 24 hours or reinstall the previous stable version.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.